Hello?
Hi, is this Tammy Kapopoulos?
Yeah, why?
Well, you've won an all-expenses-paid trip to the Bahamas.
How?
Well, you entered, you won, so now you're going, thanks to the Howard Stern Show and Captain Morgan's Parrot Bay Coconut Rum.
Oh. Cool. Wicked cool. This sucks, not to mention I'm friggin' thirsty.
Hey girl, just go back to the day when I was on the Stern Show on E! and gave my recipe for making Parrot Bay coconut rum in your parents' kitchen.
Oh yeah, nothing like something to dehydrate you when you're dying of thirst.